listen to me, man. It's a winner whenever you can't decide if you should be inside or outside because you don't know which one is more appealing. Real apples and real pears. This is just lovely. Like, you know me. You know this is my jam. And look at this. I can honestly say, in all the places I have been, I have never seen one of these. And I'm gonna go sit over here and finish my strawberry something something. I appreciate the music, but I can't record my video out here with this music playing. So I think I'm gonna have to leave. I wanted to go over to the back, way over in yonder. So let's see where else I can.